What up, y'all? I'm Real Estate Rob, your contract negotiating, inspection decoding, deal saving, triangle suburb serving North Carolina real estate advisor. Tongue twister, but I nailed it. All right, and today, we're going to be talking about the moment that makes buyers panic. We're going to be talking about the home inspection. No need to stress. We're going to talk about what's normal, what's negotiable, and what should make you run like a colony of bees are flying after you. Let's talk. All right, guys, real quick before we jump into this video, if you're looking to buy or sell a home within the next 3 to 6 months, please reach out to me. My information is in the description. I would love to come along with you in your home buying or home selling journey. Now, back to the video. In Raleigh and the surrounding triangle, homes sell pretty fast, which means buyers do something dangerous on occasion. They fall in love before they know the home's condition. And the inspection report, that's the emotional roller coaster. But here's the truth. No house is perfect. Not even new construction. These show up almost on every inspection. Loose outlets, minor roof wear, hairline foundation cracks, GFCI needing replacement, small plumbing drips, HVAC nearing midlife. These aren't deal killers. These are negotiation tools. In fact, if a report comes back too clean, I get a little suspicious. In this area, we pay attention to crawl spaces, moisture, vapor barriers, mold signs, grading and drainage can also be an issue with all the crazy rain. And it's because of our clay soil. The humidity, termite activity is very common in North Carolina. A roof aging from the humidity and the storms, because man, we got some crazy storms. Now, once again, these don't always kill deals, but they tell you how well the home has been maintained. Now, here's where smart buyers pause. Structural movement, not cosmetic cracks. We're talking movement. Major foundation failure, widespread mold, big time problem. Old polybutylene plumbing, another issue. Electrical safety hazards. Federal Pacific panels, aluminum branch wiring as well. Now, roof failure with active leaks. These are not we'll fix it later items. These aren't even negotiable. These are financial disasters. And this is where having the right agent matters. Because after an inspection, you have options. Repairs, credits, price reduction, or just saying peace and walking away. And in the triangle market, the strategy matters more than the report. It's new. We don't need an inspection. That's baloney. Big time baloney. No. I've seen missing insulation, improper framing, HVAC issues, roof installation mistakes in brand new homes. Always inspect. In fact, the home me and the client just closed was brand new, no issues, but still, the inspection isn't there to kill your deal. It's there to protect you, to educate you, to give you leverage and peace of mind. The goal is, it's not a perfect house. You'll never have a perfect house. The goal is a smart purchase. That's what you're looking for. So if you're buying in Raleigh, Cary, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Clayton, or pretty much anywhere in the triangle, and you want to know how to win negotiations, avoid money pits, buy with confidence, that's what I do. All right, guys, just to reiterate, I want to go back to the new home construction inspections because, as I said, one of the clients I'm working with now, we just closed on a new home. And house perfect, no problems. But in the past, I've seen where not getting a home inspection at all can cause issues later, such as our good old friend known as radon. Because while the house might look perfect, what's seeping through your front door in between cracks, it's not perfect at all. In fact, it can take you away a lot earlier than you should. This is why you hear people dying with cancer, lung cancer and stuff, who never touched a cigarette in their life. Radon is real in North Carolina. Always, always, always get an inspection no matter what. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with me. Now that we're talking about inspections, well, we were just talking about inspections in this past video. I can leave the number to an inspector that I use. He's the real deal. He's a licensed realtor as well, contractor. He does very thorough work. So I will leave his information in the description. Now, if you missed the last video, you can check that out. In that video, I was talking about RTP. And you can watch that video because it's coming up next.